Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Elastic AI Assistant for log insights from Kibana. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Kibana interface in a web browser. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Management tab in the left sidebar. In the Management menu, locate the Advanced Settings option. Click on Advanced Settings to access configuration options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Elastic AI Assistant. Toggle the switch to enable the Elastic AI Assistant. Once enabled, you will see additional configuration options appear. Set the desired parameters for the AI functionalities based on your use case. Next, navigate to the Log Insights section within Kibana. Here, you will find existing logs and a search bar for querying logs. Utilize the search bar to enter specific queries to analyze your logs. Once you enter a query, observe how the AI assistant processes the information. You may also receive suggestions from the AI assistant to refine your search further. Make use of these suggestions to enhance your log analysis. If needed, customize the AI assistant by going back to the advanced settings. Adjust any settings to better suit your organizational needs. Once you are satisfied with the configurations, exit the settings interface. You can now start leveraging the Elastic AI Assistant for real-time log insights. Monitor the updates provided by the AI Assistant as they can aid in decision-making. Regularly revisit the advanced settings to ensure it meets your evolving requirements. Enjoy the enhanced log management experience offered by the Elastic AI Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.